Sure. I'm Corporal Rishbeater with the Nevada State Police Training Division. I've been a corporal here now for almost 2 years. Before that, I was a highway patrol trooper out in rural eastern Nevada, and I also had a brief stint with the Nevada State Fire Marshal Division.
Today's a special day for us, isn't it?
It is a special day. Today, the cadets are learning TASER. They are going to learn the classroom portion, and they also includes exposure to a live TASER weapon.
If you can tell me what a TASER is.
Sure. A TASER is an energy weapon. That's another tool that a police officer can have on their duty belt to help de-escalate situations, to avoid having to use lethal force. There's certain other situations that TASER may be effective when other tools may not be as effective. So it's just another resource that an officer can utilize.
Mm-hmm. How does a TASER affect the body?
So the objective of a TASER deployment is to obtain neuromuscular incapacitation, which is NMI, and essentially that's electricity locking up large muscle groups on the body, leaving a person incapable of moving for a very brief amount of time. But we call that the window of opportunity that gives the officer the opportunity to apply handcuffs or get control of a subject without the need for additional exposures or additional uses of force.
Can you tell me a little bit about the classroom curriculum that the cadets go through?
So for the TASER curriculum, the day starts off with a lot of PowerPoint, just learning the nomenclature of the weapon, do's and don'ts, considerations while using the weapon. They also go through practical drills where they learn to manipulate the weapon, how to clean the weapon. Then we give them scenario-based training. We throw a scenario at them, see how they're going to react to that. And then ultimately the day ends with an exposure to the TASER.
As far as the cadets, what do you hope the cadets will take away from the TASER training?
My biggest thing that I hope the cadets learn from the training is just what a great resource the TASER is on their belts, that they have a very practical tool that is below lethal force, but then understanding as well what that power is. It's not a toy, absolutely. It is definitely a weapon, but it is a very effective, can be a very effective weapon. I also want them to know if they're ever faced an adversary that has a TASER weapon, what it could possibly do to them and how they may react to that.
Thank you for your time, Corporal.
Of course, thank you.